Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi Q5 S-Line 40 TDI Quattro S Tronic. This particular model is finished in the stunning ultra blue metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. This being the S-Line, it is full of matte grey, chrome and silver design elements, including the front and rear badging and the S-Line bumper design elements. Under the bonnet is a 2-litre turbo diesel engine with 201 brake horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. Fitted to the front are these fabulous LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these 19-inch 5 twin-spoke star design alloy wheels finished in silver, offering a lovely contrast to that blue metallic paintwork and tying in really nicely with the S-Line styling package. The electrically operated tailgate can be opened using the key fob itself or the boot unlock button under the Audi rings on the boot lid. This reveals plenty of storage space for everyday essentials, weekend away luggage and weekly family shop. The interior is finished in part leather, part Alcantara for maximum luxury and comfort, with more matte grey design elements on the door cards. Central armrest and the rear aircon controls gives the rear passengers maximum comfort. The outer seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. The Audi virtual cockpit can be configured using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel, giving you maximum control over what is displayed in front of you. On the right, your volume and voice controls, and underneath to the left, your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display, you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation. Underneath the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle with different drive modes available to you. Next to this is the Park Assist, which brings up the front and rear parking sensors and rear view camera to make parking even tight supermarket car parks even easier. The dual zone climate control allows driver and passenger to be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those colder winter mornings. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video on the approved used Audi Q5 S-Line 40 TDI Quattro finished in ultra blue, which is available at Stafford Audi. If you have any questions or queries, do not hesitate to contact our sales team or simply come and take a look for yourself.